How's it going, everybody? I got a Studio FX SOFTBOX continuous light kit off of Amazon. Got it in the mail today. This is the $127 one. I have already unboxed this thing and checked it out. The lights you're seeing are two of them. I got them put together. I wanted to do this video just to show how to put these things together. They're a little tricky. I read reviews saying that it was a little weird in the instructions. It is, even if you read it. Once you get it in your hands, it's kind of weird. So let me get the last one. I'll put that together and show you the best way I've found to put them together. Get this thing out of the way. Okay, so here we go. We got this part here, the actual part that has the lights in it. This is the soft box. Okay. You got the rods. This piece, we'll get to that in a minute, and the actual soft box. So, first off, one thing you'll want to look at on these rods, let me show you. There's two different ends. This one has one that looks like just straight, even, kind of like a bullet. And then it has this end that has the step in it. It has a step right here. This part with the step goes into the plastic housing that has the light bulbs in it. This flat one here, that goes in the little pocket in the soft box. So, I'm going to show you without this thing first, just so you can see what I'm doing. So, you get this, the problem I was having, when you put it in these little slots, if they're down, they come out really easy. They want to just fall right out of there. If you've got a little bit of pressure going up, they tend to want to stay. So, what I did was, put these two ones here. Now I recommend doing it if you have on your couch, have yourself a table like this. It really helps. Because what I do is I'll put these two on the table, keep some upward pressure on them so they don't fall out. Then I'll put these back two in. And then I put those, and I kind of push down this thing, I put those on my legs. So now it's kind of just supported here with the table and my legs. So those things aren't going anywhere. It's nice and tight. So this is the setup that you want to get. You just want to have this thing underneath it. So let me show you how that looks. So when you grab this thing for the first time, it's got these 4 Velcro strips on the back. You want to make sure you open those things all the way up. Open it all the way up. And then I just kind of turned it somehow inside out, some way of getting it to stay on your lap like that. Take it, drop the cord down through the middle, and then just do exactly what I just showed you with these 4 pieces. Keeping pressure on the table so they don't go anywhere. And then these back ones I put down onto my legs. So now I have it just like that. And you can slowly bring this thing up, get these front 2 into the little pockets. Alright, once you have those front 2, you basically just push this thing down. It's got tension on those things. You can see you're just pushing it down into place. As you push it down, those little things get closer. Once you push it down, you can just grab them and slip them in there. Then it's going to hold itself and be nice and firm. Then what I do, use the table again, kind of wedge it like that. To get this Velcro on the back here, put my hand through, kind of pull it tight over that bar so you can get the Velcro nice and tight, and you can use, kind of squish it between both your hands. Just like that, pulling it tight. Flip it over, get this other side. Pulling it tight. And there you go, your studio light box, soft light box is assembled. Now when this one goes on, the stands that came with mine come right up through the middle. So it's gonna go on and be like this. It's gonna be lengthwise. If you want it to sit like this, tall, all you have to do when you are putting this housing in there, just turn it 90 degrees. You turn it 90 degrees, it's gonna flip this thing. You don't have to move the pins or anything like that, the rods. If you end up moving the rods one over, when you put your light on, it's gonna mount it like this at an angle, which may be useful. Yeah, you can have it at an angle. It may work for you. And then you also have, the other thing you can do once you get your bulbs in there, you've got this other pack. It has two different filters. I haven't used this small one. There's just 4 spots in the corners where you can Velcro it on and it will sit like that. Or you have this big one. Now mine, it comes like this. Now they didn't flip it inside out for you, or it's inside out right now. So you can see when it's sitting like this, the Velcro is on the outside. Not gonna work. So these 4 corners, you have to flip the corners. Just flip the corners right side out. Just like that. Then this thing just slips on. This part's real easy. Velcro, you can just kind of squish down like that. Just pop the 4 corners on. You would already have your bulbs installed in here, of course. And then you're good to go. And you have your filter on there, ready to roll. 2 switches, whatever you need. Taking apart, exact opposite. There you go. Let me show you a little bit of what they look like at my place. This is one of them. And then if you do put it, that's how it'll mount. That's how it'll look if you move the rods one hole over. It'll mount kind of sideways like that. But that's how I got it together. Hopefully that helps you out. The lights look like they're working pretty well so far. So good luck. It may take some practice. Could be a little bit frustrating, but give it a shot. Use the table. Try it a few times. You'll get it no problem. Good luck.